Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is Arochukwu in Abia State. And I want to show you guys the solid road that they have constructed here by Geld Construction Company. The road is still under construction, but as in like a larger part of or a large section of this road has been constructed, has been asphalted, and then there are still some parts of the road that is still under construction but is speedily nearing completion. So you can see how the road is very solid, very wide. Before you start asking me about the markings, just know that work hasn't been finished on this road, but I just want to show you the areas that they have finished fixing, the areas that they have finished constructing. The drainage is double side. It's not a one-sided drainage. You have the drainage on the both sides of the road, and you can see how smooth the road is. And if you see the type of equipment, the type of materials they are using to construct this road, you agree with me that this road is going to last a very long time. Construction everywhere. You can see there's a road construction going over there too. In fact, by the time the able governor of Abia State, by the time he's done with the state, most people will not be able to recognize Abia State because the way the state was like some years ago, no roads, there were like bad roads everywhere. But this administration, they have taken the construction of road seriously in the state. It's not just only in Arochukwu. When you go to Aba, when you go to other parts of Abia State, there's hardly a local government in Abia State that you go that you wouldn't see road construction going on, not just in a particular place, but almost everywhere. And this road construction, it will reach everybody. It will reach everybody. If they haven't gotten to your area, your side, just know that they will still get there soon. Now, some part of this road also, they have already installed solar street lights. And just imagine when this road has been completed, the street lights, bro, from it's like from Abam down to like, bro, it's going to be very beautiful. It's going to be just like a replica of the Mbise road, but this one for me is gonna be longer. And then the environment, just imagine you're driving here at night, the street lights and all those. Yeah, bro, it's gonna be nice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. That subscribe button you are seeing there, it doesn't take money or data from you. If you just click the subscribe button and the notification bell, is going when I post a video, you just get a notification that I've dropped the video. You saw firewood that they kept beside the road. The people of Arochukwu, they are when it comes to agriculture, they are there. So most of the woods, somebody was even telling me, most of the woods you see in timber in Umuahia, some of them come from Arochukwu. They have a lot of palm trees here. You can see just check the environment, just check the ambience, the greenery, bro. It's beautiful. So guys, watch this video down to the end to see the section of the Arochukwu road that has been completed. Work is still going on this road. It's very long. I don't even know how many km. You understand? Just watch this video down to the end to see for yourself how far, how beautiful, and how this road is in 2025. The truck in front of us, I believe, is still owned by the construction company that are constructing this road, I believe.